Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying requirements. Confirm your app is on a supported release and export a backup so you can revert. Once done, open the widget editor directly from the home screen by long pressing the widget and selecting Edit or Settings. You do this because editing an app can differ from system-level changes. Backing up prevents data loss and lets you compare before/after. Now, with the editor open, locate the Theme or Appearance tab and get ready to select colors, fonts, and layout presets. Next, dive into the detailed controls where the visible change really happens. You pick a base palette first, light, dark, or custom hex values, because contrast drives legibility. Then set typography attributes like font family, size, line height, and weight to match brand or comfort. Once typography is set, adjust spacing, alignment, and element visibility toggles for icons and labels so content breathes. As you modify values, use the live preview to catch overflow or truncation, and make increments. To finish, apply the new theme and save, then refresh or reload the widget so system caches update. You should test across screen sizes and in both dark and light modes to ensure contrast and alignment hold up. This prevents surprises for different users or devices. If something goes wrong, restore the export backup you made earlier and isolate the problematic setting by reapplying changes one at a time. Finally, make one last save and document key values so you can reproduce the theme later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.